You write me, Booker at bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you, and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court. Listen up, because this can happen. This is coming. What's up? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Ali Booker. You already know what time it is. Order in the court is the time that it is. It is time for order in the court. Sit back, okay? You already know what time it is. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court. How do I terminate this authorization for adult caregiver? I have the original authorization agreement from DHS, and I know that I agreed for my nephew to live with me. He's currently living with me, and he's giving me problems. I want to put him out. His mom doesn't want him to come back to her house, so she's threatening to call the police on me if I don't keep him, because I'm the one who signed the authorization agreement for voluntary adult caregiver. How do I cancel this agreement? Child, with the state of Texas. Okay. Let me tell you what you do. I hate to tell you this, but ma'am, it is what it is. You are a voluntary adult caregiver, okay? And you just let them know you are no longer volunteering, okay? And it's going to be hard to get somebody on the phone because, girl, they don't like to answer the phone when they know that you no longer want to care for someone. They don't. They're not going to rush and run over to give him back to get the paperwork undone. But what you can always do is one person who can start this party all right. You need DHS in your house tonight is the police. I hate to say it, but you can call the police. You can tell them, listen, this boy is doing this, that, and the other. I cannot take care of him anymore. I need to give him to you all. Where is the Adult Protective Services? I need to relinquish him. And I signed an authorization through them that said I was voluntary, but I am no longer volunteering to do this. And he needs to go back. And that's what you do, okay? DHS is going to have to come out. They're going to have to do the paperwork for you not to be his caregiver anymore. Because, ma'am, you have a child on your hands. Essentially and legally, you have a child on your hands. And you don't have a right to put him out. You can't. Because he needs a caretaker. So you can't just put him out. Okay? That would be a felony. Okay? If you just get rid of him. That's why the mother is telling you. You put him out, I'm calling the police. Because I don't want him back here. She's right. She doesn't want him there because he's a problem. She doesn't want to deal with him. And when she didn't want him, why in the hell did you open your door? But that's what aunties do a lot. Aunties like to be the favorite auntie and stop listening to their sisters. And when their sisters say, my child is wrong, sometimes you all like to prepare a place for them. So you done that. Okay? So continue to prepare a place until it's rescinded. And it'll have to be properly rescinded with the authorities. And good luck catching them because they can run real fast. I don't know what the fuck you gonna do. I hate to tell you that, but ma'am, I hate to say you got yourself involved in some shit that you shouldn't have got yourself involved in when your nephew called you against your sister's judgment. If he cannot, let me tell y'all something. Order. Order. Okay? I'm going to tell y'all this, and don't say I ain't never gave you nothing for free. It's the best advice I could ever give you. If the children don't listen to their parents, if the children don't listen to their teachers, if the adults that are like children don't listen to their parents and the adults are like children ain't listening to their caretakers, why the hell you gonna sign up after somebody else and get off the list? Do you think that this is some field trip that the other adults don't want to go on anymore? There's a prize at the end of this shit and they don't want it? The prize was that regular ass nephew that you got in your house that you can't get rid of, girl. And if I was his mama, I'd be telling your ass the same thing because I wouldn't want the motherfucker back in my house. So, bitch, I'd be telling you the same shit. Put him out and I'm calling the police. I'm going to tell you, ma'am, you put his ass out, she going to call the police on your ass because she don't want him at her motherfucking house. And he got to go somewhere because he has to be cared for. And you signed that voluntary adult giver form and you're going to have to unvoluntary yourself in the legal way. And good luck catching them in the next case. Because I'm with his mom on this. You shouldn't have got your ass involved. People love to get themselves involved with children that don't belong to them. And they like to think the parent don't know what the hell the parent is talking about. Baby, if the child will do it to their parent, they'll do it to you. Fool. You are nothing more than a person that they are triangulating and using against their parents to get an edge up, to play the victim so they can get more of what they want. And then when they start using that same tactic on you, you want to get rid of them. Stop opening your doors to other people's badass kids. I order your ass to keep his ass. Keep him. And I'm going to tell you something about them children that are adults. Them adults that are children. Them APS people. They be outliving your ass. That's what they be doing. Health be better than yours. Be outliving you. And I say voluntary need to be not temporary but permanent. Because you need to permanently deal with that shit. Because you should have stuck your nose where the hell it belonged and kept it in your own house. You knew that boy wasn't no good. Next case. Bad. He bad. You want that check. That's what you wanted and that's what you got. Keep the check. Keep the check up there. Okay? And El Nino. Next case. And El Nino.
Time I made that call, I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.